Overall, from based on everything that I've heard, cold emailing or cold outreach has actually slowed down significantly across, not only for us, across the industry. I think the reply rates have plummeted to like something close to 50% of what it used to be. So for you to generate the same amount of results, you have to now double the kind of volume and efforts that you're doing. There is this whole new concept called signal-based selling that everybody is focused on. This is a combination of, your first-party data and third-party data combining and figuring out the intent signals of the buyer, and then reach out to the buyer to like the larger thesis is there is 3 to 5% of your total addressable market that is buying at any given point in time. The 95%
Yep.
is not. So the previous cold outreach methodology was spraying and praying to the whole 100%. But the signal-based
Yep.
selling is all about how do you find the 5% first and then go directly to them.
Yep.
And then how do you use your first and third party data to find the 5%? So that's the
Yep.
signal-based selling approach.